Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest tips and tricks on all things tech. Today, we are going to show you how to create a stunning board on Pinterest easily. To get started, open up your Pinterest app and log into your account. Once you're in, you'll see the home screen filled with captivating images and inspiration from around the world. Here's the magic button, the plus sign at the bottom center of the screen. Tap on it, and a menu will appear with a few options. Choose Board. Now, input a board name that you desire. Notice that you can choose to keep the board secret with this toggle button. Clicking Next leads you to the option of selecting pins to be on the board. If you don't want to do this, just tap Done. And that concludes our video. Thank you for joining us today. Stay subscribed for more tutorial. Until next time.